Hello friends, today I have come with a fusion of Indian chillas and Italian pizza. Don't worry, it's a very healthy recipe because we've taken the goodness of both the recipes, leaving behind the junk part. So let's see what all we need for that. Here I have got 1 cup of Gramflour, half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of thick curd. We have to make a batter of this by adding little water at a time. So this kind of a consistency we need for this. Now we will add all our vegetables, tomatoes, chopped onions, capsicum. Lots of vegetables will go like this, and we will add salt according to our taste, little black pepper, 1/4 spoon, lots of finely chopped coriander leaves, and this is optional, finely chopped green chillies. So now we will give it a mix once again. I think some more water is needed. Heat the pan and take some oil and make a crepe or a cheela, whatever you may call it, like this, and some more oil. We will see if it is cooked from beneath, and then we will flip it like this, see, and cook it from the other side also. Now comes the pizza part. What we will do is we will sprinkle lots of cheese on it. We won't flip it now. The cheese will melt on its own. And now then you can put some olives, mushrooms, bell peppers, whatever you have got handy with you. I'm putting a few basil leaves as I really like the flavor. Didn't have to use the pizza base, which is made of plain flour. We have used the very healthy base. As you can see how healthy pizzas we are eating. You can have it as a complete meal, or you can have it with soup as snacks. You can garnish it with some oregano. I hope you like this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have prepared a nutrition chart for every recipe in which you can manage your macro and micronutrients on a daily basis. Its link is given below in the description box along with other important links. See you with a new recipe very soon. Bye bye till then.